Hey friends, my name is Aishwarya and I welcome you to my channel. Friends, today's session is very interesting as well as very important also. Whenever if you are planning to develop a application or a project in JSP and Servlet, this tutorial is going to help you a lot. Today friends, I will tell you how to use a scriptlet tag in a JSP page. Friends, it's very important. Basically, we use a scriptlet in order to embed a Java code into a JSP page. Whenever you have to write any business logic using Java and that you want to embed it or you want to implement it or you want to include it in a JSP page, then you will need scriptlets. Friends, there are basically three tags: scriptlet tag, the declaration tag, and the expression tag. But most probably the scriptlet tag is used. Fine friends. First I will tell you how to create a project. Go to File, New Project, Java. You will have to select Java web application. Next, and you will have to give the name over here. I keep it as a web application too. Then next, friends, over here you will have to select the server. When I was installing NetBeans at that time, I had also installed Apache, so I will keep it as default. But if you don't have Apache, then if you have Glassfish, keep it as it is, no issues. Fine, then next and then finish. You can see over here a project has got created. Now friends, in my further tutorials I will tell you the whole directory. I will explain you the whole, this whole project, what is it, meta-inf, web-inf in detail in my further tutorials. Today we will just concentrate on the scriptlet tag. Fine. Whenever friends you create any project, index.html is going to default page which has got created. Fine, this is going to be index.html. And friends, remember one more thing: whenever you run any application or whenever you run any projects, especially in NetBeans, index.html or index.jsp page will run first. I mean to say, if suppose in your web application there are 10 web pages and among the 10 web pages, if one web page has a name index.jsp or index.html, then that page is going to get executed first. So friends, this is the normal your index.html page. I have already created one project and the name of the project is Scriptlet. I will just expand it and in web pages. You can see there is one index.html, there is one new.jsp, and there is one more welcome.jsp. Now friends, the question arises over here how I will create a JSP page. It's very simple. Just right click on web pages, new, and then JSP. Give the name over here. This is the default which is already selected. JSP file standard syntax, keep as it is, and then just click on finish. Fine. Now I will show you index.html. Friend, and today I will just show you how to take an input from the user and how to display it on a JSP page. Now this is your index.html page. A normal head tag, a normal body tag, and a normal form tag. Now friends, over here I have written form action is equals to welcome.jsp. Whenever I will click on a submit button, this input type submit will create a button with the name go. Whenever I click on that button, it is going to navigate to welcome.jsp. So friends, whenever you want that, whenever you're creating any form and you want that, whenever I click on any button or anywhere, it should navigate to another page, then you have to write that name of the page in this action. Form action in double inverted commas, you will have to write the name of that page or file anywhere wherever you want to navigate to it. Fine. And then input type text name n1. Now why have I written name n1? I will tell you. Then input type submit, it will create a button and the name of the button is going to be go. Fine. Now this is my welcome.jsp. Over here, normal HTML and a normal body. Whenever you are using scriptlet tag, you will have to write that code inside a body tag. And now you can see this a greater than and a small than sign with the percentage sign. Now this is nothing but a scriptlet tag. It indicates a scriptlet tag. Whenever friends you want to write any Java code, you will have to write that Java code within this two. Fine. And then I'm creating a string, the name and the name of the string is name, and then I say request.get parameter. Now friends, suppose in my index.html page there are 4 text boxes. Then how my compiler will come to know that for which text box which value has to be fetched. So for that friends, basically we are using request.get parameter. Request is an implicit object. It actually means that you will have to fetch the value of n1, the value of n1. Now what is the value of n1? It is going to be whatever the user types in. Fine, that value you will have to give it to the name, and that name is going to get printed with a welcome message. I hope I repeat once again. See, request.get parameter, what it will do, it will fetch the value of n1 from index.html. And what is going to be the value of n1? The what the user types in that text box is going to be the value of n1, and that value of n1, it will be given to this string, and that string is going to get printed with a welcome message. Now friends, if I have over here 4 text boxes, so for every text box the name is going to be a unique. Fine, say I have so see, I have created one more text box. So name for this is going to be n2, and on my welcome.jsp page I create one more string. See over here, now it is showing me an error. So over here I will have to write over here n2, and over here again I say names, and then plus names. Fine, and then I will just run this program. I say over here hello and Aishwarya, and then I press a go. Now you can see it's coming as welcome hello Aishwarya. I hope friends you have understood the scriptlet tag. If you have any doubts, you can write your doubts in the below comment box. Thank you friends for watching.